Hey, this is Salifia and welcome back to my channel for another video. I don't know if you noticed in the last video, but my lighting was a bit different and it's a bit different in this one. So please do tell me what you think if you noticed the lighting, and if you didn't notice the lighting, kind of look at it now as I'm telling you about it. Because I do have a ring light now, and that video is coming about my ring light. But yes, I do have a ring light now. So, and I'm trying to learn how to work this thing, what lighting, what setting is the best setting, and all that good jazz. So I hope I don't have to re-record this video, because I'm really trying to improve the quality of my videos. With that being said, if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you're an oldie but goodie, thank you so much for coming back. And if you're new subby, or if you've been here for a while, please make sure you hit that bell to be notified of every time I upload a new video. I think that's it. So anyway, today is graduation day. I am getting ready to go to our high school graduation. And if you've been following my channel for a while, you all know that as teachers, we have duty at our graduation, and we have to wear our robes. We don't have to wear a cap. We have to wear our robes and all that, because we march in and do all the stuff with the students. Not all the stuff, but do some of the stuff with the students. So it's a very nice event and all that kind of good jazz. And so, yeah, I'm getting ready to go to that. But before I go to that, I wanted to bring you all this Bath and Body Works haul. You all know that I probably need to go to a few therapy sessions when it comes to Bath and Body Works and their wallflower bulbs, as well as some other things, because I am so much of a junkie. But anyway, I'm going to show you the things I purchased and tell you how much I spent. As a matter of fact, let me go ahead and tell you how much I spent, because I'll forget. So in the wallflower bulbs were on sale for $3.50. I had a 20% off coupon, and I had a coupon to receive a free hand lotion, a free lotion, and a free body care item, or what have you. So I did get that. So with my first transaction with 24 wallflower bulbs, the lotion, and the hand cream, I spent $84.67. And my second transaction was nothing but a lotion. No. The first one also had 2 new wallflowers. So yeah, and it was $84. And then the second was only $4.32, because that one only included a lotion and a hand soap that I got free, and I used a 20% off on that. And then before I left, I did get 2 coupons, because the semi-annual sale will be starting on June the 4th, so I'll get some things then. So I'm just going to kind of show you everything I have. So the first thing is this Happy Vibes body lotion. I guess this is their new packaging, this square container. I did see some other containers, lotions, that were the old ones, as well as this one, as well as another one. So they have 3 different bottles that I saw. And this scent is, I don't even know. I mean, they're really doing a lot of stuff with shea butter, and it says shea butter and coconut oil, but I'm not sure whether or not I smell the coconut, but I do definitely smell the shea butter. And then there's a little, like some little, I don't know, like raised dots or something on the surface. So yeah, Happy Vibes body lotion. I also have the In the Sun Super Smooth Body Lotion. Both of this one has shea butter and coconut oil as well. And this one right here, I don't know, this one has like a really fresh scent. I love this scent. I should have actually gotten 2 of these instead of getting the other one, because I do like the other one, but this one I definitely love much more. It says White Sands, Warm Sunlight, Fresh Waves, Life is Happier in the Sun. So yes, love that scent. Alright, so the next thing is the Georgia Peach Gentle Foaming Hand Soap. And then the next thing is this Paraffin Hand, Nail, and Cuticle Lotion. I don't know how this smells. Let me smell it. I couldn't really smell it in the store because it's so light, and that's one of the reasons why I have it. Because I cannot stand to get hand lotions that every time I move my hand, yeah, I like that scent. It's a light scent. But every time I move my hands, I have to smell the lotion. I can't stand that. So that is that one. And then, like I said, I did purchase 2 new wallflowers. Now, let's get into these bulbs. It's ridiculous. Alright, so I'm going to start off with these 2, which I could not tell you what these 2 are called, but I didn't realize until I got to the register that they didn't have the labels on them, and I couldn't remember where I got them from, so I just gave the girl 2 other scents and two other scents, and she was going, because she said she couldn't ring them up with other things, so I just got two other ones. I'm like, yeah, just use these. But then she turned around and let me get them. She's like, but we're not supposed to do that. Alright, so next I have Island Reef, and I have two of these, and most of the ones that I'm going to show you, I do have two of each, but there are a couple, well, there's only one that I have more than two. Oldie but goodie fresh linen that I always get. Every time I get them, I get fresh linen because I love this smell downstairs. Next I have two Georgia Peach, as well as two Golden Jasmine. Alright, and of course I always get aromatherapy ones that I see, and this one is Comfort Vanilla and Patchouli. I've shown this one before. And then I have Island Papaya. And then this is another aromatherapy one. This is Energy, and it's orange and ginger. And then this one is First Bloom. And then I have Endless Weekend. And the last one, I have four of this one. The last one is the Stress Relief Eucalyptus and Spearmint. This is one of my favorite scents. Love, love, love this one. Like I said, in all of them, there are two of each. And in the Eucalyptus and Spearmint, there's four. So in all, I have a total of 24 wallflower bulbs, and these should last me a pretty good while. So I went ahead and stocked up on them because I didn't want to be looking for when they have another sale, because the only time I get them is when they have them on sale for $3.50 or something like that. I don't get them at regular price. So yeah, that is it, and this battery is flashing over here for me, so I'm going to go ahead and get off of this video. Thank you so much for tuning in to another one of my videos. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave, and while you're here, go ahead and check out some of my other videos, as well as make sure you share them with all your friends and families across all your social media sites. And so until the next time, and in between time, you ladies and gentlemen be safe, and I will do it. See you in the next one. Bye.